Greetings, fellow traders. Today we're going to go over Andrews Pitchfork in less than 3 minutes. Andrews Pitchfork is a geometric technical tool, and we use it to help find changes in the market, and it was developed by Alan Andrews. Not much is known about Alan Andrews, although what we do know is that he taught thermodynamics and he studied at MIT and Harvard, and rumor has it that he worked for his father's investment company and helped him make over $1 million. We know that he passed away in 1985. He was a firm believer that the market followed the laws of physics, and so he used lots of different tools to help to use this, to show this, and the Pitchfork is one of those. The Pitchfork tool can be found in most charting software, so Thinkorswim, for instance, it's down at the bottom there, and TradingView, it's up on these indicators here that looks like a pitchfork. And so here we'll take a look at the S&P futures and draw a pitchfork on there. And so critical tip number 1 is you must connect each pitchfork point to a significant pivot. Okay, so I'm going to select the pitchfork tool, which is right down here, and I'm going to pick a pivot. 1 pivot, 2 pivot, 3 pivot. And there you go. There's the pitchfork in action. Okay, and critical tip number 2 is the median line is essential to having a helpful pitchfork. So try to connect the median line to other pivots and possibly form a trend line. So you can see here the way we drew this, the median line is right here, okay? And we try to connect that with other pivots. So you can see here, this was connected, this was connected, this was connected, this was connected, there, and then pretty close right here. Okay, another way we can draw it is just like this. Go here to here to here. These are reasonable pivots, right? And you can see the median line here served as a trend line, and then also served as active pivot points on the chart. Pivots at pitchfork lines can indicate movement to the next level of a pitchfork, and so sometimes these act as channels. So you can see here, we got to this median line here, so that showed that this pivot here might go to the next level down. Again, same here, it might go to the next level down. You can see pitchfork breaks are also significant, and they retest them just like a channel. Critical tip number 4, use fast stochastic to help determine pivot points. So you can see at these pivot points here, we had a fast stochastic high, and those were nice indicators to show that there was going to be a change in trend. And these can be used on any time frame, but I prefer to use it as a macro tool to gauge larger market moves. So if you liked learning about trading and technical analysis, subscribe to my YouTube channel and join us on our free Market Nightly live streams where we go over the state of the market, go over technical ideas, and take chart quests.